Bosch refrigerators use alarms to alert you to problems such as a door left open, temperature changes, or ice accumulation. These alarms can manifest as beeps, flashing lights, or notifications through the app if your refrigerator has IoT features. Determine the alarm type. A door ajar alarm means the door isn't fully closed. A temperature alarm indicates the freezer or refrigerator is too warm. An ice buildup alarm often points to a problem with the defrost system. Address each alarm immediately to prevent further problems. First, consult the user manual for model-specific troubleshooting steps. The manual provides detailed guidance for your specific Bosch model. The Bosch Home Connect app, available on newer models, provides remote monitoring and diagnostic tools to help identify the cause. This app helps you monitor your refrigerator remotely. Check also for recent firmware updates, as many false door ajar alarms can be resolved through these updates. Let's troubleshoot common Bosch refrigerator alarm issues. We'll cover door ajar, temperature, and ice buildup alarms with practical steps. For a door ajar alarm, inspect the door gasket for damage or debris and ensure shelves aren't obstructing the door. A warped door frame can also cause this. Try resetting by unplugging the fridge for 5 minutes. If the temperature alarm is sounding, clean the condenser coils and check for airflow obstructions. Ensure the thermostat is properly calibrated via the control panel. For ice buildup alarms, manual defrosting may be necessary. Unplug the refrigerator and allow the ice to thaw completely. If the problem persists, the defrost thermostat or heater may need replacement. Regularly clean the coils every 6 months to prevent future issues. If you are still experiencing an alarm, visit bosch-home.com or consult a certified technician.